Hey guys. Well, there's some things I want to get done today. I wanted to go to an RV park called Jojoba Hills and have a tour. There's a membership that you got to get into, and I'm not sure I totally understand it. So I wanted to have a tour of it, but they said they're pretty busy today. If we can get there, that'll be great. Joni's not going to be with us today. It's just going to be me. But I'm definitely going to go see my RV that's still in the shop after 4.5 months. So yeah, why don't you come with me? This place belongs to Ricardo. Free water, sodas, and sometimes beer. I like him already. I feel like somebody's looking over my shoulder though. Oh, jeez. Very nice. This is a local sculptor designer, and he's right outside of Temecula here. But he does all of this. And we're gonna go talk to him right now. Okay guys, I'm sitting here in Ricardo's office. He's the owner-operator of this place. He's the main sculptor, artist. Is that what I'd call you?
People call me.
Well, I looked at your stuff. It's just really good quality stuff. When did you get started doing this?
21 years ago.
21 years. Were you always here in this spot?
5 years in this spot.
In this spot here? Oh, okay. You have you do all this yourself, or do you have people that help you?
I have people that help me.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be realistic. I can't see.
The Torre Eiffel was not doing by one man.
Yeah, that's just. There's a crazy amount of work here.
People who do the Eiffel Tower, you know. So man.
Right.
Same thing right here.
Yeah.
I can help.
So you do custom stuff too? Like if somebody wants something built, you can go ahead and do that for them for a price?
It's my best, and I can do anything.
Well, that's great. If you don't mind, I'd love to look around here and take a picture of some of your stuff. Is that okay?
Well, enjoy and show to the world what we can have, what we got right here in California in Awanga.
Maybe you have, Awanga's beautiful. I love Awanga. It's just
look
beautiful
around,
here.
it's a beautiful little town.
Okay, great. Thank you very much, and I'll just stroll around and take some pictures, and I'll get out of your hair.
My pleasure, senor.
Okay.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah. So he's got really cool yard art stuff and just real quality things, and what an imagination on some of his stuff that he has. Some of the stuff can go in your house, you know, it doesn't have to necessarily be yard art. Really nice things. It's real popular for people to get these on the side of their homes, you know, and sport them out in front of their house. That's beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful work. Lamborghini, if you're a Lamborghini fan. If you like the tropics, the country, wild horses, if you like the ocean, he's just got something for everybody here. don't know if you can see it or not, but this is a sculpture of vultures on a fence, and it says, "Welcome to the state of California." And it portrays exactly what it's like down here. It's got to be 95 right now.
Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
This is one of his sculptures right here. It's the world fighting off COVID. He's got a sign down here. It says, "Together we prevail." What a journey it's been this last year. So over it. Well, the world is much bigger than the virus, that's for sure. Keep fighting on. Well, here's what I wanted you to see all these months. And this is our Monaco Night. It's a 2012, has 76,000 miles on it. And we bought it from a dealership. I'm not going to say the name because I'm not real happy with them. And then we took it into this place and it had a cracked head. So it's been in here for 4.5 months, and they had to tear out this whole back area just to get to the engine. And as you can see, the engine's way back inside there. And there really is no good way to get to the engine except take all of this off, the radiator, the coolers. And then they had to bring the slide out in order to take apart the closet inside. And then they were able to get to the head. But it was supposed to be done last week. It was supposed to be done the week before that. It was supposed to be done the week before that. And this has just been ongoing for 4.5 months. And somebody came up and sideswiped the slide. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't look like it hurt the paint. I think it's just paint that can get rubbed off. Anyway, he said he was going to take care of it. So hopefully that happens. They kept getting some kind of a code for the smog device that burns off the carbon. And they said that I needed a updated software. So he said he was going to do that, and he hopefully isn't having problems with that. But as soon as he does that and fixes the closet in the back, I'm assuming that we'll get our coach back. It's too dark back there. I don't want to turn on the power or anything, but did want to just show you that I do, believe it or not, own an RV.